These days, businesses have mountains of data generated from people using their products on all kinds of devices. Despite the abundance of data available, over 50% of product teams feel they are unable to quickly get answers to their product questions. Questions such as the impact of feature and campaign launches, to what drives user conversions, and how engage our users to be able to eventually retain them. When product managers ask about impact, user conversions, engagement, and retention, they are essentially asking the question, how do I build products that customers find value? Which essentially is the foundation to any product analytics strategy. That is, to measure a product's value against a user's desire to exchange something for it. Using DocuSign as an example, their product is an electronic signature solution which provides the value of convenience for parties executing important contracts with each other. Their customers exchange for this value through the subscriptions that they offer. This same value aligns with their company's mission to accelerate business and simplify life. Establishing an analytics strategy framework helps you structure your metrics and KPIs so that various teams and stakeholders are aligned towards a shared vision for product development and execution around your product's core value proposition.